Welcome to Family Food Tale. Family that eats together, stays together. Hello everybody and welcome to Family Food Tales. What to cook? Each one has this question in their house. What should we cook today for dinner? So today we're going to make a very simple and easy dal recipe, Gujarati Dal. First of all, we're just going to cook the dal in a pressure cooker. Very easy, and you're going to learn it in like 5 minutes. If you soak it and then cook it in the cooker, it'll cook fast. So I've done that. I have soaked it and now I'm just cooking it quickly in the cooker. And we're going to add a few ingredients. Just some methi seeds and some peanuts. And we're going to add some turmeric. We're going to keep this for cooking about 2 whistles, 2 to 3 whistles, and then we'll simmer it for about 5 minutes. We're going to add some salt also while cooking, and just little bit of ghee, just a bit, just about half a spoon. Now we're going to cover it. Let the dal cook in its own steam, about 2 to 3 whistles. Let's check the dal now. I think this should be cooked. It's cooked well. You can see the peanuts. Now we need to add the tadka to it. Here goes the pan. So let's add some ghee, homemade ghee, or gai ka ghee as people nowadays have. Some mustard seeds or rye. Once the rye or the mustard seeds splutter, then we'll add the cumin seeds. Need to have a little patience while cooking. I remember as a child when we used to come to Granny's house, she used to always make this dal and I used to really love it. And just to make the most amazing Gujarati dals I've eaten. And now of course my chachi also makes it equally well. As soon as it's spluttering, we'll add a bit of hing or asafoetida, some curry leaves, 1 or 2 green chillies, slit green chillies. You can add some whole red chilli also if you want. We're going to add the cooked dal now. A bit of water. We won't keep it too thin or too thick, but it's up to you. The Gujarati dal traditionally is a very thin dal. Nowadays people like it a bit thick, so it's entirely your wish. We're going to add a bit of kokum, gives a nice tangy flavor, and some jaggery. This is the traditional ingredient which is a must in the Gujarati dal. A little sweet taste. I'm going to add a little water. And this dal needs to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes and then it'll be completely ready. And it's completely ready. You can just add a dash of lemon juice and serve it piping hot with some nice steamed rice. The peanuts give a nice taste to it, nice crunchy taste. A little bit of coriander and a little bit of ghee. Yummy, tasty Gujarati dal, just for you. See you soon in Family Food Tales. Bye for now.